the Ringke AirPods Pro layered case. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the AirPods Pro layered case by Ringke. These are polycarbonate cases that come in several color options. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a carabiner, and a protective film. I have the matte clear and white version, and again, these come in several color options. The case is a hard shell and it's polycarbonate. You have cutouts for the LED on the front and the lightning port on the bottom. It also has a loop for the carabiner on the right side. It comes in 3 pieces. The body just snaps into place, and you have the lid, which has a 3M adhesive on the top. And here's the matte clear. Logo is on the back and the cutouts on the front and bottom. Again, it just snaps into place and you have the lid here. Along with the case, it comes with the protective film strips that you have to install. There are 8 strips that will protect the outer shell of the AirPods case before inserting it in the polycarbonate case, so the plastic doesn't rub and scratch the case. I've installed the film off camera as it can take a few minutes, and you can see it once it's installed. Installing the case is simple, just slide it in and attach the lid. For demonstration purposes, I will not remove the adhesive so I can install the other case. And this is how it looks once everything is installed. It adds an extra layer of protection. There's no issues opening and closing the lid, and the LED cutouts are precise along with the charging port. Now here is the matte clear version. You will see some bubbles from the protective film, so you may want to take additional time and make sure you push out all the air. And I didn't remove the 3M tape on the top. Again, you can see the LED cutouts, and the lightning port cutout is precise. The lid opens and closes with no issues. It also has no problems working on the wireless charger when the case is installed. Here it is on the charger just to demonstrate. You can see it activate. These are inexpensive cases if you're looking for a hard shell as opposed to silicone or leather. It does take a few minutes to install the film, and I wish there was some type of lining integrated inside the case. But other than that, the cases give it that extra protection and it works well. So that is my review of the Ringke AirPods Pro layered case. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.